Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back to Zest Media. Thanai hera interesting tubo video. Ali mchu masong apung khane Zadonang Memorial Tournament hasi to hoy tak kyu zama me nam dilong liang my brothers hadi Zadonang Memorial ga ali represent chu me puli go pool asai Ariang FC, Iribung FC and nam dilong liang my brothers hasi had three team hasi pool khagam thiên ju boy hadi the first match gam thiên khai mi bo asai Iribung versus Ariang 2 goals sui khaye and Iribung 3 siga Iribung no match hasi ngam khaye and next ga sai liang my brothers nam dilong liang my brothers versus Iribung liang my brothers versus Iribung themuga Iribung liang my brothers to 1 goal sui khaye Iribung no khaye hadi the ngam no je plus advance pre quarter advance ga ba minute to mam thu ko pa khaye 14 Zadonang Memorial Tournament ga alu liang my brothers they represent chu nine jam dan match themuga alu play se mathem sami go or lak habi mi go drama alu ha si ngam no mak tami go siga alu go players my coach manager khati fans supporter my mathiu alu lung thiu we alu lung thiu ku bam ga liang my brothers go fans wrong and die hard fans support you when thiu ku chang bo to question alu thiu arwang lo jo to wrong lo jo manura bon how the things so to question come phane pas lungsa malai wang sai we ne oh hello welcome to Zest Media.
Thank you for having me.
Pa hai sno support you when thiu jiang bo you be to brothers in jibo hai si te to question manuma songa to pelang ko oi ha ding hane pa hai si liang my brothers to support you way and then to all the liang mai na to bon ma theng of twin ma chiu to si pa support you way hai to pa si po detail na sa pa si original nilong langka mai football ga volleyball ga or any game ga twin cubo pelung chiu international level go football on tadi volleyball on tadi any game pa hai si phui tan da tham cover chiu my inusibo song di pano sidiam of way I did thank you way brother today have Zest Media ga wang khaja I did to question chu khani bo sai krai ga i question ka new khane da na go mess Iribung versus Iribung FC versus liang my brothers mthemo ga Iribung hai sino liang my brothers to 1-0 ga ngamide I did da na go mess oh question is dan go mess is detilom to first question to the nang ke ka hello
Raka Jess Remedy thank you go channel ga tija wanja lum ma bo dan mes ta ni mes ko analyze kam ke tija to di ko media ga wang tang pe sin tu Raka di thank you tija liu thane liang ma hai team Kulong FC Kadi FC Ariang FC Aling FC khari nam dilong youth club tija liu represent tu tinga liu Namdilong hai Namdilong go pool ga aliyo Iribung khati Ariang FC tab tinga lindana first match ke Iribung na aliyo 1-0 na ngamine haka wenka aliyo as a die hard fans luma de aluma ti tak mi suta mi na nam ni tin na to thane analyze kam lang khedi ko khai tinga ide achunu sang wiye nan aleng ko na kum bi khai tinga tija dana match ko briefly in detail ga inside overall ga aliyo first ga game go formation handana hai 4-3-3 in thien ma di 4-3-3 in thien irang ok kair huir fifale ti 4-3-3 in thien tinga last ra 4-4-2 ne ngok lemo tera win back ne se first half gara kate support beams ra overlapping through back to wala ma bo ti tinga formation sindana point ka course ra expert na cha ali raja simple fans da ha analyze kam course master team official da ali discredit hu ma ge kam me da ne te I fans ka je phui tinga point thar wan ta ma bi bo match go da na statistics which ali attempt hai ali no wai hamara more than 15-16 go attempt ka mamne in kam ningra target ka like 6-7 kumra bam ni suye target ka cha te go ra khalma ta am ne te ball position khibra ali first half ra no nasra 50-50 di suye te second half gara ali liang ne kya na le cover karan kam ja le liang ne kina tini
Okay,
bati de
okay.
si mes analyze ko statistics ka puita le liang hai ta chang ta mar ko de game ti bra goal ne ngam sno position thadi statistics ne ngam le si ja le ali san sa drama na ne ti ngam ta mi ne ti ga mai lu ni sang ju ai da
Okay.
salung ma ju we ti um tak le ne
Sorry. Next question ga menu khani wasai. Who make the game mistake? Coach, manager or player? Hai si. WhatsApp liang ma WhatsApp group ka keng di mong to hai. Ai wo player si so ni mistake kam no game si sai bam lo. Ti bo si. Opponent ko ba sai bam si. Please na ke ka no.
thank you question ro wi hai si football ra team go game ma ra cha individual ma ke you should never blame one player cha keeper do masa defender do masa midfielder or forward to what blame kam ma ga teamwork ke cha to game ra teamwork se si ha blame zalo ki yo analyze kam wi kam ke sra alin da na dim tinga course ko first 11 cha ini tim san din ni ga first 11 si ali wi mak ma ti maning thalen halum chun no cha course ko se si de li sidang ma ke di tam la ai course na ali la ma se si ja te ka fui ma go ra first 11 hai da no hai poi ma substitute bench kan second half ga master first half Luis Rama wolam dong si wolam tinggal ali ko mes attacking tan ne te men ra ali ta na hai football as a football player ali football fans ka tu ini ke sibra average football player kan ne mes ka distance cover pani pak mi hai minimum ga 8 kilometer hai te dan na ali liam go brothers nam de long liam my brothers nu ne distance cover tu hai maximum ga khangkha khania ra yo 8-9 kilometer distance cover to am sui te more than ala kim no ra 5 or 6 kilometer distance cover to ra ti sa si game ga si teamwork sa si material ne game pressing kam mo din na wo bi mid to forward what the connection hai defense to mid connection hai hai kan da na blame ti ra khangkha ra blame kam da la ti teamwork sa si side sa material kam mo ba ja ni material ka so ne sai ba ngam sa material ngam ba tu se iral ni har blame ra khangkha ti bi da la ti ding khani
Sorry. Jersey number 7 khati jersey number 16 do. Alu liang mai WhatsApp group ga. Keng di mame. Panai kam si bo player to dekan khai go rai ma lo. Have question je. Alu liang mai go football fans khati WhatsApp group ga. Hati din ji bam bo. Hati selong sa jo nang detail mam chu public ma to ding halo.
thank you ko bi question ne hai si ali coach ko go tactics masa go formation ga pa ne pre plan kam na kamam ta la ke te lu khai hai si 16 striker 17 ne pa ne change lo pa ne bola ne 7 di yo 11 do change ju bolle ti bam ta di hai si pana the first 11 ki ma bo ti bra ali course na ali alama hai te es nang di ngo journalist kali ni plung in detail thuma ba sija ai si ali sports ko ai si channel ma ba sija te ali just briefly WhatsApp group ko masa ali discuss am pa mo personal reading pa mo to ali chulo silo si ngau lo na dimam tala ke ti lo khai isi sina panai bu we bo ma first 11 ma phang ma sira course ko formation ga klo first 11 nung sti wolo ne pago plan ga game ha direct pressing kam na to pressing game ha pressing kam ta ne plane go khaira lu ne kam ne ma ne plane slow na bo ha thien ne hold thu ja thilo ne second half ne ka tan na da lang ne ti kam juma si sira coach ko tactics sa ja din sila ke de coach to tactics ko formation ha da na hai ini pui tingra SF die hard fans ko nam de long le my brothers khat chu jara tactics hai aleng na point ka da na hai mau bi juma te aleng lu khai bano te wi man ma jibam ni sui te aleng ba lu khai te panai do sin bo sira panai 16 da 7 go tinga game hai tamsin game change ti wem tu ni si aru nama ke nam ni sibam tala ke nam ne fans ni se me te si sira coach ko formation na ko tactics sa sui ja change ti wam ti wem chune te ye lu khai
Thank you. Question menu ga ken kamui khai da. Thank you brother. Na si alio Manipur India go football fans ro namake na si world top world ga nam fui jo ha da champion league bam talo or they go sport any sport in the world pa ha si ha da cover to the hai si solo player si bam we ha da alio liam ronga hakumu players or hakumbo fans bamuse alule gangsang game with the mamsu to the dinghani. And let's go to another question. Liang brothers go fans supporter my go spirit or pulu no that you tang dan long new one solo or that you tang pulu right one solo. Liang brothers no dame game ngama utinga hashi. Why not viewers my to na songsa dinghani.
Hashira dingthangsra bugu personal go lumchun bamsa shuja dinchila ke te as a football go diehard fans no mature liang my brothers namdron liang my brothers nda same thing I ha the you think ra mature nga unity the bas ka kyu ha mature to na king unity ba same thing I ha mature nga enjoy thini ma ge football go ira alumchun ra football ga ira alumchun ra juk sa ja king ji wala ni ma ge kan nda na wala thing ra personal go card ga ma shansi ga ira wang de wang me ba te hashi mature lungchun ba ne ira lungchun di wang ji ji simji sim ba ira tura 혹시 왜 교대가 사교대가 알롱춘다 되게 방말로 자 समान खासे या फुटबॉल आने इंटरनेशनल का सलातो नांदी वक्त टीम का सपोर्ट क्लब का सपोर्ट देंगा नको टीम साइड देंगा सिसेरा न माइंड से रुंगसुन बाबा नो बे ते बाबाम सा आलु मेकअप थुरन ले एटलीस्ट नथाने दाना लियामा ब्रदर्स नमदलो लियामा ब्रदर्स नि साइड 100% आलु खाना आजु दिन दाउ लाके प्लामरा पूल क्रू ने क्यूगा टीम का खांसरा 4 team based on the 4 see round 16 line team dai khoilan ro je play go nom sa si nom ka sra alu ya my brothers te ariam thelan ka alu mate moilan sa alu matiu chalung chun ba je ba mo le fans man chulung chun hai point ka men khalan no ma tu alung chun ai this ka ne 50-60% kum ra thora obra bang khai di ding khani
okay thank you question. Let's go to the next question. Liang my brothers the concept ni bo iril bung go play khadi liang go play they tell you how they win the liang my brothers, how was the strategy is
nang khale ha si iril bung go ndana play bung game go plan hai de ti lo ti se in ndana phoi ka play ra counter thene plus high line defensive play go defense tu mu ko hang bo offside trap ne play free do this play ra defense ga ndana liang my brothers nang offside de julo nang si ban ro more than 6-7 plus one ro ali chance create to thing offside tami bo asin de gan pa producer thoi international ali footing ga barcelona ha thoi high line defensive thing ga play ra telone pressing kam bo tho iril lung go pressing में इल बुंग pressing ना पुना होती है मसाले जो आपके counter थे ते defense रा high थी defense रा high line ना प्लेन थे मतलब काटे ना इल बुंग है forward है कपक ना केंगे मसाले में का forward line के ट्रेंगा प्लेयर ball release थी उका forward line तक दी दे प्लेयर कम में थी आलू लियांग दुंग को दाने कोई बार में defense line थे मुझे defense ते आलू दांग main defense ने आते थे आलू इल बुंग ने counter थे थे का ममता में बोल थे इंगा आलू liang dong ni sik ma ko kha alu liang brothers ne coach na pli go assistant coach or team official dong pli si ngau ma sima ge as the fans ka thura ye ngau ra high line lim them tinga ball si over the cross ti mana push ka mona ganga tun khai bo hakuma push kana top two tas one tas two tas ko pli bom ten sa na na go ti ro bo ti pli skum ngau tang ma suma ti pli khala ka dad ma sima ge ti pli dana ali iru bung ra counter khade high line defense ne jo hai ngo par hai
thank you. Let's go to another question. Liang mai to wa inu new khak ni bo question na idi alum chu do mo ma nang di ui na di liang my brothers to support chuman chu che salung chu do mo and new khak ni bo mo have a question de lo this liang my brothers has first play ga sign ne and sone ariang dum thena ne hadi to hoy Jadunang Memorial Tournament has team has you wrong a top 4 ko khang ne do me hadi the top 4 se de tu liang brothers de tu top 4 ka khang lo or tomorrow or day after tomorrow di do lo face sima ke ariang FC to liang brothers has Mathelan diga goal di ju no khai lo ju ngam sai liang brothers qualify to lo hai bo lam ga tang long sa detail di khana
14 Jadunang Memorial Tournament है pool थी जरा 12 है 12 का pool का team sum का है team sum का से only one team cha only one select khang ra boy round 16 cha plus remaining 4 teams best kadara boy jo tisra aryang dum aryang FC aryang football club hai alu maiki ki alu sina mai alu namda mai hamdilong naik na ba boy tidi aryang hadim khen ka tanu
ya
club kale sisina alu go game strategy khati game plan hai slight change to maha dawla ba me defense to mid connect to lo mid dana mid shootinga mid pressing kama ke ball masui kham thinga bounce back or reflection plan sha what are you receive khuma ki error movement nang khoi to si de kan ru sa ale include first ka demis de distance cover thibo tura at least minimum ga 8 9 kilometer cover thero to pak ma ge do ali manu sa chak do ball do khon ni do pressing kam tan sa ale second mind go khalo sa na ale tan khang ni ja na ni si si tan khang ni si de si nan cham ja ale how go mess chona next mess telang kara starting from the beginning pressing kam na ta pressing kam na ale at least goal to si si the best kadara ba tu bringra goal difference of we ma si sira chap chap li official norms ra si tang ma ge cha te best dana sa at least ali goal ra hai ju de 3-4 or 2-3 or 0 ki kunja te ali one of the best for a mess in the that beginning ba mine ma sa ali chance go first ke idimi de only 50-60% on ali chance ba mi sa ya best 14 ra out of remaining best 14 select karo to hai ali maning mala ra sima ge si sina ali 100 kana more than 110% ali bro effort pi done mi thela da game ma me to hadin khani
okay next question sir Liama brothers ko player mai iding hang ne to hoi goalkeeper Liama brothers ko goalkeeper sa ba ma se pogo play de lo pogo stepping de go position or ball go timing nai pan pa go timing or pan ball players ma leng pi khai bo hai se selong sa nang viewers ma to ding halo
liang mai go goalkeeper hai thoi Liama brothers ko goalkeeper hai dum na ye cha pa hai state level ga Nagaland state level ga them bang ho pogo ball distribution hui ye pogo timing ni hui de dang nai goal cham se defender nai goalkeeper go miscommunication communication gap ka bam jeng asina nan hai goal cham me goal cham hai padi 50-50 ba par nei da apa ni tinga goalkeeper go ra nan mistake ti ha ye me sandin ka goalkeeper themu ya me pedi nan defender ka di goalkeeper miscommunication gap bam communication gap bam ka jeng asina nan ra go khara yo ti de ti ali sibu go khati lo sa ali chance ma hana sa ali new lage more than 10 chance cha created a midfield the confidence ka ha jenga suma or irul bung ne go kha chami tinga pressure bung amalang suma si dama ge player go lungchunga confidence ha suma pressure bung amalang jenga go ha ali hai chance 1-in-1 keeper versus striker keeper versus winger tinga ali goal chan simple Indian ka 4 clear chance te goal chama ko tami boy hadi tinga sisira ali din daw lam ne keeper mi thik mi ye ti khani ye
goalkeeper la pa pan din mui ding hai goalkeeper se I really appreciate dan am thik mui goalkeeper go mistake ke goalkeeper to my Nagaland state gam thien mo player liama mi thik nu li si jo mo pogo position pogo pan kang ko ba really appreciate 100% best goalkeeper le and next question sir defender 3 defender middle ga mamchim ni si jom ba we li bambo pogo play de di lo we masalo and side kanya ga mchen ba bo defender left back right back hai defender lam kan na salongsa dingalo
defense ra danai mthen mu ye ti defense dora in din khani sra the ball play rating bisra 6.57 ding a bira ba what is siri hani bira la ke out of 10 ga cha nikhalan sra defense overconfidence with masima ke danai main defense knya ne simple pass bi ong tinga back pass tinga chance back pass bi ma bo lo nya lan sume keeper hapa declare kan ne sila ma cha te sira defense ra mthen mu ye defender ra we come me kapak position me verified or clearance we come me te defense go danai overconfidence bam jainga suma point kha mthen ha wang tama bi ne kan sra mid to kuma ke Penani clearance kampai po, main defense ni clearance kampai bisa. Mid what the ball receive chilo mak ya. Opponent team ne ball receive chilo. Attack online mo. Tisra metian bilang tadi kalau player ka tisra teamwork sih hari football ra. Nah gua pun ke gau bo tisi, pun yang wodi dan ja. Side ni ada kang lo ni jualan tama ulun tiu. Hai kum si sono mega tisra mid ni wang cover pelan side ka. Hai kum si defense ni pun kuma bis mak dan apa. Pun communication gap bang mu ya ti tinggal ni.
Thank you. Nice answer. I like it. I really like it. So, goalkeeper lam fanga, aligo football die hard fans. Panu dimui ding hamde and defender lam pandi dimui ding hamde. And let's go to another question. Another question is midfield. Midfield ka, as we know, liang na roga football mathiam mo se. So my gang player ba me kita liang my brothers ka dan select hu je. Captain ni phung ba me we come on then this is come on so one and another awangwo she's my awangwo koringta passion Nagaland state kam chembo player le haja panai go mistake gunima or de golo no nang no phui alu no phui so alu ne di phui si ba me ta nang si jam as I have already mentioned football die have fans football ka plung khai ko bo mu pyu nang no si diang jo ba mo sin so long sa viewers man tu to dinghalan
midfield ko lang din sa midfielder dana get pak mi masandin ka football hai mid we got this football hai kya na sin jan par wa ja engine ne pa na an engine pa ne khung ra wa ti dana mid right individually they are ja player class le quality ko ma player le individual ki fuja we come on or like awang kerenta cha quality awang kerenta to stay level we come on de to alu liang mai rongara mid kara sama hak sweep ho ni dana panai khati intirolo nten hai 4 in equal team say 4-3-3 in sra panai ko kaka khangkha defensive ko bamsra kha attacking panai ka apna supporting role ga thoi ball tackle kum kama hai dana wa ding ngom ge the defensive ji awan ne krai kama ne krai defensive thima first up defensive thene awan attacking ngam thima mangawe ti panai je panai ka klu 3 khalun 3 khating the 3 se atu chamawo cha ati ngoba me go 1 2 mana 1 2 ti ngoba mana 1 2 ti tani ti up down cha left right ti using ngoba ma left right la khai bulone middle khai ma ti ma ti tenga mid kan dana quality ko ma mid nyang ne then we didn't poliu ko ga combination tiram ne combination chali dana fitting ga pa odi te sisi dikane ho lo se ini ko dilam se de first ka pressing ti de forward ni pressing kam cha kam tang kam atra midra malai ra bo pressing kam sa sisi apna di sub me kela dera distance cover feel da mid ko sa te sisi kane mid ko ra dana ko combination hai mid ko ra dana mid ko ra personal ramai ni blame people semua ke football kara cha jadi mid kora yo wantama wina dana sisira te ball release tip si panai ball release tip offside head keng hamstra push kana 1 touch 2 touch kana kam hamstra we come or awang di 1 touch 2 touch tik tak dam je muk sumem yang ba quality ko player yang alu liam rong ara cha jadi perlu captain or team coach official sorry not official assistant manager hamduna beli deh hasil pupat tahu nih sebagai offside track mana offside untuk track kamu nih tu kau offside kamu tinggal alu sisi pulau nih alu fans terus ulah dinam lawan mesti deh kalau gallery sah football ko ground masuk pitch kasih nih zoom saja alu kurang cutang tam saja jadi akhirnya lawan lah terus nih aku di sisi sana walu ground mana terus sah jadi dana midra yo midra dana sudah poin combination habis nih.
Thank you. Nice answer. Thank you. Answer king kap king haja. Hadi da. Question di loyang kum da to hoira. Inu personal to the inu no ko gam new kha ni usina. Liang my brothers hadi use all over the world. Dan haja dunam thema che liang my America ga bam talo or tam talo social media one hadi da fans my liang my brothers support to my hin na se long chu bam le do ja adu ja kam ga bam si we releng liang question kam boy and answer di kam kam ga ye adu next question ni ma ma chu nu question kam bam bo or ma chu nu Dini ba tadi dingam din ceri bibo kakak tu sekurang tu ma din ping bibo tu ma menu kah kini bo question ni sai dan first 11 ga player mchen ke ba mai situ coach mai no coach new select on ma or team manager or team official no select kam no tu tinggal ni halah mana long sa tinggal
thank you question kuibo ya sa aliwo Namdelong and my brothers go team coach Anil Limbu all India go license daw mi ho cha pil pa ne selection kam bo tio hai padi yo ali hai si long term ga ali hai mathen mane hai short term me hai ram chan mi ga ali hai pa ne team select thura hai one of the best player among his players cha pago player dunonga best nu sudara wa plamra one match nang sai gam de ngara hasira chance more than 50-30 wami bu sajija ti saji padi best player ko best player dok daban ro ti play friendly match in time song i phuitale cha ti play bu player changma wang tangma bo ma sa changma bo ti bo ko mo jiwo ti dana na ne bro dim kumja question ga team official no ne pressure pi bo ba me team official no ne selection ga ba me ti dim me hasira ki pri ga to international or national level or state level ga phuita de only coach ja pane 1 day or 2 day or before 1 hour before 2 hour before 3 hours pane first 11 dar boy you should be substitute you should be on the first 11 the pane sita ka dar no team official no to pressure bi unda basi silo maro ko best decision ni pane ko tactics ka de formation ni pane theng grab sai pane sita dar no sira pane kadar team official no ale pressure bi sira pibam PA tu ra confirm na dinda lagi tadi rumors bam disu ye tadi si pibam nangsa mawara betul ira agul lucu ngalu kaya coach ni po first 11 laras no team official or team sponsor or any individual or any VIP pani wang ni team coach the pressure pi lene and am tema sulage ana tu sulage one of the best first 11 si pani kadalo na first 11 kharas no hasira tidi ma bam sira ba tidi ta chengra course ko ga every responsibility should be on the coach, not on the team official or not on the sponsors. Even to the club of Real Madrid or Barca or Manchester City, Manchester United, City. But club owners na ako first 11 kayo smart team smart ke only the coach decide. Kasi but metide alibo dana gusira kamo din sila the pressure di on this team mag City the same ra only team coach to select the best 11.
Thank you. Clear and nice answer. That was the perfect answer. Brothers, into about mine. Into last question to come new who is your favorite as a football lover, as a game lover? Who is your favorite footballer? Who is your favorite club?
Favorite footballer, local, among the Liamai or international?
Any player who play football. Any player.
As international,
international, yeah,
international say to dana. Messi hai ti abo favorite player le.
Yeah, me too. Yeah.
Thank you. Tura Liam Rongara. Kamu ma game me de sa favorite ro khapa dawla ga international din sa Messi ti hai din ta hai.
And Liam go di din sima.
Liam nang nugo di khare sui ti Liam go.
Liam go favorite macam kau komeda. I'm the one. I mean, when I was young. Is the inu zau tu buat tim saya ngam bagus jo. When I was young, like class 7 or 8. So, tu kau dah hai kamsi itu dah. Zasu kung ne, everyone is same. Yeah, most of the players are same among the Liang Mai. But there are two players who is really a little popular. Awangbo nagalengan no kamui ba me ino po video de fu ye and kama sawang kamui ba to ra ja player pa no chemu tinga po play match fee or be de ba ta de point ha ko bi bo marong no na bi ke bi bo still se kama ade awangbo ko news fu kha tinga ja na go football play ga detail ba data fu kha tinga na si ko bi na na kam si bi tha de to idi do ye brother jinji abon mai Thank you. Nogo bon kumbo nogo precious time nang nang this year ti man tadi inun to question manu khani hatu khani tu tinga na nu is welcome to the hatu wang lu answer pi mui pi kha ja thank you we hatu da to jadonang memorial tournament hasi aligo zelerong 3 border sorry I mean zemai liangmai rongmai ja impui ji zo we tu ja hatu da zelerong brothers go football tournament has is like a world cup for us 3 track yeah 3 track in one tournament has only Zadonang Memorial Trophy tournament has to naye hatida to hoy liang my village club present chukai mo lam ka the point have to support you the thing ni aling FC has it tan tang ta me ja as you know pulo no dana opponent to musiga je 6 or 0 or
0
something 7-0
7-0 yeah
oh 7-0 my kasha 7-0 to dimchi I think that's the right answer 7-0 aling has 7-0 ma to khaja ta next match tenan ne ba me aling FC to my choose long sa support khoi lo hadu da kuilong di ba me ariang di ba me kadi ja fat club fat village hasi jadon nangam thien khai ba mo ja thoi thoi thim bo hadu da poliu club personal to the blue game ga or talo din tang ma ta din ngau khai bam sai ne lu to thank you we to hoi ma thien ka ba bo alu liang ma go club hasi sa solo to sima ma di ba we ariang youth club and sorry ariang youth club be nam di long he aling FC kadi FC and kuilong thank you the way Yamgo club I did the Donang Memorial Trophy ga represent to the Temui Kai Bongo Kaja Alu Lung Dia Alu Tunuya Alu Zogenge I did so them Tem Hansa final final counting players my kankat or fans my kankato Mazang interview come then I did my material support to Kaja thank you way to the Zest Media so my tutor thank you for something here. True, because of your support, I have already reached 10k subscriber and really. Thank you once again from my heart. And please don't forget to share, subscribe, and comment. Bye.